Did you know that on average, people spend over 3 hours a day on screens, often leading to eye strain? It's a serious issue. If you're like me, spending hours on screens can leave your eyes feeling tired and sore, and when it's time to settle in with a good book, that fatigue can really kill the vibe. Over time, this can diminish our love for reading. Ignoring this discomfort could mean missing out on the immersive experience of reading your favorite stories. Plus, constant screen glare might even discourage you from picking up a book altogether. Enter the Kindle Paperwhite 16 gigabytes, a game changer for avid readers. It's designed to let you read in comfort for weeks on end, with zero eye strain, thanks to its e-ink technology. The Kindle Paperwhite has an adjustable warm light that mimics natural sunlight, meaning you can read for hours without that traditional screen glare. With 16 gigabytes of storage, you can carry thousands of books in the palm of your hand. That's your entire library, ready wherever you are. Users have reported a 50% reduction in eye strain since switching to the Kindle Paperwhite. It's no wonder it has rave reviews with 4.8 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Ready to transform your reading experience? Grab the Kindle Paperwhite 16 gigabytes for just $249 and read like never before. Hurry and get yours today to start enjoying the benefits instantly.